You've just imported your bank transactions into QuickBooks, but what do you do next? You might be staring at a list of new transactions, wondering how to connect them to the expenses and invoices you've already entered. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a crucial step in keeping your books accurate, and today, I'll walk you through how to easily match your bank transactions in QuickBooks. Why matching is so important. Think of QuickBooks as a digital filing cabinet for all your business's financial activity. You've already put a copy of your bills and receipts into the cabinet by creating expenses. Now, when your bank statement arrives, it's like a list of all the transactions that have actually gone through your bank account. Matching is the process of comparing these two lists and making sure they align. This prevents you from duplicating transactions, ensures your bank balance in QuickBooks is correct, and keeps your financial records pristine for tax time. The simple matching process. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to the Banking or Transactions tab on the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of all the transactions you've imported from your bank account. QuickBooks is smart, and it will automatically try to find a match for each transaction. When it finds a potential match, you'll see a green match button next to the transaction. Here's the key. Don't just click match without a quick check. Click on the transaction itself to expand the details. You'll see the bank description, amount, and the proposed match. For example, if you paid for an office supply expense you entered earlier, QuickBooks will likely suggest that as a match. Verify that the date, amount, and payee are correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the match button. What to do when there's no match? Sometimes, QuickBooks can't find a match. This usually happens for a couple of reasons. Maybe you haven't created the transaction in QuickBooks yet, or maybe the amount is slightly different. If QuickBooks doesn't suggest a match, you'll see a blue Add button instead. If it's an expense you haven't recorded, like a coffee run for a client, you'll want to click Add. QuickBooks will create a new expense entry for you. Just make sure to categorize it correctly. If it's income, like a payment from a customer, you'll want to find match and link it to the existing invoice. Quick recap. So, to recap, matching transactions in QuickBooks is all about reconciling your bank's list of transactions with the financial activities you've already recorded. Check the Banking tab. Review imported transactions. Verify the match. Click the transaction to ensure the details align. Click Match. Confirm the link between the bank and QuickBooks entries. Add new transactions. If there's no match, add or categorize the transaction as needed. Following these simple steps will save you hours of manual data entry and give you a crystal clear view of your business's finances. It's a small habit that makes a huge difference in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.